I'll send you these swings to help you remember what we've discussed. Backswing is coming on nicely compared to what it was. So we're playing in much more of an arc now. If you remember, the golf club was kind of way out outside the ball.
West.
Yeah, way out west. So starting to load this thing up, much better than what you ever have done.
Yeah.
We've obviously discussed sequence of the downswing in quite a lot of depth over the past few months and years. Lower body leads, so we still need a little bit of work on that. But we've made significant improvement with your elbow today. Yeah. You'll see at the top of your motion, your elbow points downward, which is really good. But then in the early part of the transition, look how it kicks out. So we're looking at the alignment. The yellow line is at the top, and look how that changes. That's steepening the shaft, taking the club a little bit steep, body's quite open. You kind of called it an over-the-top motion, yeah? That was your kind of thought on it. We would like the shaft shallowing a little more. So we played around with it, brainstormed a little bit on the shape of the elbow, and you can see the significant difference in the shaft angle. You had a little bit of a play on your own. This is just a little rehearsal where you're trying to feel the elbow. See a difference? Yeah. So the elbow is still aligned downwards here. And it's really shallowing out the shaft. Yeah? It's going to make it easier to square the club face. And then this was the hip. Elbow still kicks out a fraction, but nowhere near as much, look. Club shaft is a fraction shallower in transition. Elbow and hands are working more out towards the ball. And you've really changed your ball flight. Found it much easier to square the face up through the shot. And finish. Okay, sir?
Yeah.
Cheers, Rob.